Good morning, grade 11. This is Mrs. Pascale. Today's lesson is chapter 5, the polynomials, section 5.2. The objective of this section is to identify the roots of a polynomial. Definition of a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression represented by the sum of several terms with different powers but same variable. Example, the polynomial is usually denoted by a capital letter and the variable is indicated between the parentheses. P of x is equal 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5x minus 2. This polynomial contains four terms, variable x, degree or highest power of 3. Another example, q of y is equal minus 7y4 plus 3y squared minus y minus 1. This polynomial is of four terms, variable y, degree 4. The roots of a polynomial. The roots, or also known as the zeros or the solutions or even the x-intercepts of a polynomial, are the values of x for which the polynomial is equal to 0. It means the numerical value that gives the whole expression of the polynomial is equal to 0 when x is replaced by this value. Example, for a given polynomial 7x squared minus 5x minus 2, 1 is a root of p of x, since when x replaced by 1, p of 1 is equal to 0. 2 is not a root of p of x, since when x replaced by 2, p of 2 is different from 0. Finding the roots of a polynomial. To find the zeros of a polynomial or even the roots or the x-intercepts, we need to take the polynomial equal to 0 or solve it. So to find the zeros of p of x is equal x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3, we only need to write p of x is equal to 0, then solve this expression by taking each factor equal to 0 since it's in the factorized form. So x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Solving each equation, we get x equal negative 2, x equal 1, x equal to 3. So the zeros are minus 2, 1, and 3. Example 2, f of x is equal x4 minus 2x cubed minus 8x squared. Since this polynomial is not written in the factorized form, so in order to find the zeros, we write f of x is equal to 0, but we need to factorize this polynomial by any way we can do it. Then after that we can solve it. So x4 minus 2x cubed minus 8x squared is equal to 0. Taking x squared in common, we get x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Factoring the second degree factor using the sum and product method, or even by using the calculator, we get x squared into x minus 4 into x plus 4 equal to 0. And remember that we reviewed all the methods of factorization in chapter 4 in previous sections, so you can review the previous sections. So x squared equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solving each equation, we get x equal to 0, or x equal 4, or x equal minus 2. So this polynomial of degree 4 have zeros minus 2, 0, and 4. And this is it for today. Please do the following application to review how to find the zeros of a polynomial. Thank you.